Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I am here in Fond Du Lac, Wisconsin at Rich's Truck and Auto. You know, one of the things we do over at UNet Results is on-site coaching. And there's nothing more fun than getting behind the trenches and getting behind the counter and making it happen and finding out great ways and great systems and process to plug and play and put in place. And so I just wanted to say hello to everybody. And yes, it is a little bit cold. This is definitely not Texas, but I'm happy that we have rose above single-digit temperatures. I'll take it. But man, we're going to have a great time in June when we get to come visit Rich's Truck and Auto. What you can see it behind me, but what a beautiful, gorgeous shop. I want to include a few pictures that we took as well. But yeah, this is going to be a great shop visit. Gorgeous, beautiful building. You know, just ginormous potential here as well. So, hey, just want to say hello to everybody. Hope everyone's going to finish out January nice and strong, because that's what we're over here doing at Rich's Truck and Auto. And so, hey, y'all have a great day and finish out January strong. Rally up.